Hi, I am highly grateful to share that I have been selected in ECI FM Solutions India Private Limited as a help desk support engineer in Gurgaon location. So I want to thank you to Evision TechnoServe for the guidance. After completing my graduation, I was not able to get any job in the technical domain. So I was joined as a non-technical domain. But after joining Evision, after the guidance and the training from the trainer, I learned the many things about networks, CCNA, visualization, and after the training, the placement team also helped me to getting this job. I would be like to thank you first of all Deepthi ma'am who support me and give me the information of all the things and the training. And after the training, I want to thank you for Priya ma'am and Sania ma'am for their guidance. And whenever I face any problem during the placement, when I contact them, they help me, and for that reason I now am been selected in this company. So I want to thank you, the Evision TechnoServe, and all the trainers and the teachers for their guidance. Thank you very much.